Alright guys, I have a heat press that is, I think it's an 11 by 9. I think it's 11 by 9. I don't even know. I've had it for years, very seldom used it. And so today I am going to be using my 11 by 17 A-sub paper to sub an image using this small heat press. So I've taped it down really good. I don't want to hold it up too much because I don't want it to fall apart. But I'm going to try to sublimate this image onto, hopefully it doesn't fall. So you can see I have it all taped down. So I'm going to sub one side and then turn it around and do the other side. So hopefully I don't mess this up. So the purpose of this video is hopefully to show you how you can sub on 11 by 17 with a smaller heat press than what you're subbing on. So I'm going to start here. Let me stop that beeping. And let me move this out a little bit without it falling over. So I ended up having to put the Teflon sheet down because one of the things I noticed is that the mat on the bottom to protect your heat press has started to get colors on it. And those colors were coming out in my other projects. And so to avoid that from happening, I want to make sure that I put something on there to keep the colors from getting onto other projects. All right, so wish me luck, guys. This is the first half here that I'm going to be doing. I have it at 375 for 70 seconds. And this is a poly and cotton blend, so it's a 50-50, so we'll see what happens. All right, so I have my image down, and I can see right now that the tape came up on this side right here. So I'm gonna have to make sure when I flip it that my tape is down well, so that this image does not move. Because if it moves, that's when I'm gonna have problems. All right. We're at 27 seconds. All right, one side is done. So I'm not even going to lift this up. I'm just going to turn it around. And hope for the best. So be very careful. Oh, I made it. So I try to be careful when I put my hand up under this heat press because I do not want to get burned. All right. Making sure everything is on there nice. And we're going to go again. Same pressure, 375 for 70 seconds. And see what we get. Trying to make sure I got everything all covered. Wait a minute, it looks like it's moving. All right, here goes. All right, we're at 47 seconds and counting. So again, I have not even lifted the side that subbed already. I haven't even lifted it because I want to make sure I have the entire thing. "19 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now I think for my own sake, I'm just going to come up and hit this right here in the middle. I think I'll feel better. And we're going to see what happens. I just realized that I did not put my silicone sheet on here. All right, I'm gonna turn it off, and we're gonna go with whatever happened here. So let's see. So you can see that the whole thing still has the sheet still on it. So I'm gonna pull it off. And again, this is a 50-50 poly cotton blend. All right, so here we go. 11 by 17. And it did amazing. I love it. I think my grandson will love it. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Put this like this. I'm happy because I was like, I can't do 11 by 17 because my heat press is smaller. And I'm going to cut this off. As you can see here, this is my heat press. And so I was afraid that I wasn't going to be able to get all of this on there. So at first I thought about cutting it in half. And then I was like, no, I might end up with a line across it. And so instead, I just made sure that I taped it down really, really well. So that was the image on the 11 by 17 A-sub paper that I ordered off Amazon, and this is the finished product. And it looks good. No lines or anything. So I'm excited, and I'll be doing more because now I figured out how to do it on my own. All right, so if you have any questions, comments, concerns about what you just saw here, feel free to let me know. And if you are in my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, thank you guys so much for being a part of my Facebook group, not my Facebook page, but my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters. And if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you for that as well. And if not, and you're seeing my tutorial or my channel for the first time, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you'll hit that bell notification in the top right hand corner, then you will be made aware anytime I upload videos to YouTube, which I do often. And just go to the playlist and you'll be able to see a playlist for sublimation, a playlist for crafting, and a playlist for dip powder, because I do my own nails. I know y'all tired of me saying that, huh? Anyway, but that's it, guys. Sublimation on a large sweatshirt. The image is 11 by 17 on A-Sub paper. My ink I get from Inkxpro, and my paper is, I ordered off Amazon. It's A-Sub. It comes 110 sheets. I think it was like $32. And what else? You can see I have a small heat press, and I use the Epson Workforce 7720 that I changed over from an inkjet printer to a sublimation printer. So I also have a tutorial on my YouTube channel to show you how to change your Epson Workforce 7720 over to an inkjet, from an inkjet to a sublimation printer. It's really, really easy. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much. And my motto is each one reach one, so that each one can teach one. Have a good day. Bye.